Welcome to our channel. Resetting your Oura Ring to factory settings can resolve connectivity issues and prepare the device for a new owner. Here's how to perform a complete reset. Step 1. Open the Oura app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account currently paired with your Oura Ring. Step 2. Tap the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the home screen. Step 3. Navigate to Settings by scrolling through the menu options. Look for a gear icon or the word Settings. Step 4. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find Ring or My Oura Ring section. Tap on it to access ring-specific settings. Step 5. Look for Unpair Ring or Remove Ring option. This disconnects the ring from your account and app. Tap on this option. Step 6. A confirmation message will appear warning you that this action will remove all ring data from the app. Tap Unpair or Confirm to proceed. Step 7. Your ring is now factory reset and disconnected from your account. To set it up again or pair it with a new account, remove the ring from your finger and place it in its charger. Step 8. The ring will enter pairing mode after sitting in the charger for about 30 seconds. The LED light will indicate when it's ready. Step 9. To pair with a new account, download the Oura app, create a new account or log in, and follow the setup wizard. The app will detect the ring and guide you through the pairing process. Your Oura Ring is now reset and ready for setup with any account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.